says caution, hot surface. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. We are here once again at one of the Boondocker spots. Shit.
Are you okay?
I caught some smoke. I'm just giving you the plate so you don't ask me for it. I am Sabrina.
That smoke going to you. You coming at me, man.
Welcome and welcome back to our channel. I am Sabrina. John is over there. Oh, we are the Traveling Vow. I'm pretty sure that we did not even introduce ourselves yesterday in the video, which is an extremely long one because it is all of the everythings from yesterday, like getting to where we were going, attempting a setup, attempting to figure things out, not having what we needed, me thinking that I had it, and no, nothing was working out. So we actually got this place for 2 days. So we were here yesterday, we're going to be here tomorrow. We're going to go to another place tomorrow for about 4 days, and we're going to attempt to enjoy the best parts of Boondockers Welcome and Harvest Host. I know right now our audio might sound a little shoddy because the mics are across the van. And I should have probably got them, but I'm extremely tired right now. This is about take 3, and it's been a fiasco, but it's been manageable since we got here. Let's see, because the cycle is going. So today we got an alert saying that our delivery was going to be early. We thought we were getting it tomorrow. It is our Pecron power station. It is a 1200 watt power station with about 614 watt hours. We are not sponsored, but we are deciding to go with this one as our beginner power station. Next on the list is going to be some things to power with, not using too much of the actual power. I don't know. So first I had an electric. This is today. Today has been, like I said, we pulled up, we left. Hold on. Where was I? I'm tired, y'all. Anyway, like I was saying, the delivery was supposed to be tomorrow. It came today, so I went to my sister's house to go and pick it up, and we waited for a little while, and then we got it, and now we pulled back here and are attempting to cook a dinner.
We cooking it.
We cooking it now, but when we first got here, we were attempting to. So we had a electric griddle, which I'm sure you'll see it in yesterday's video, and that didn't go so well. I thought it would be able to be used with this power station, and again, it is pulling way too much. Honestly, I probably wouldn't even use it in a house. That's how much wattage it's pushing. Yeah, for real. So, or cook outside, because really that's all it is. It's supposed to be like electric grill. So we tried to use it. It was not powering on. Ours is 1200 watts, and it was pulling 17. So decided to do a quick little order from Walmart. Got it in within 30 minutes. Got a hot plate and a pan, a little cheap pan. And even that is pulling 1100 watts, which, yes, it's draining our battery, but we're going to make it do what it do. We're going to figure it out and make it work. We will actually just power it through the car for now, and then he's trying to kill me.
I'm not kill.
He said the fan can, so the van can die, making me die. So, oh, nice. Okay. It's very loud, so I don't know how loud it is for y'all, but it's crazy right now. So that is basically what happened today. Walmart came, we got the skillet. Again, it's pulling about 1100 watts. This is a 1200 watts. So it's draining our battery quite a bit. And once we're done cooking dinner, we're just going to charge it through the van and see how it goes. It's obviously dark out, so we can't plug in the solar panel, which it did come with a 200 watt solar panel. So that's exciting. We're definitely going to be utilizing that as much as we can once it's daylight. But yeah, that's basically what we're doing right now. We're going to eat in a little bit, I think. Of course, I got the thickest pork chops you could think of. They're right here. It's yours. One set, two sets. But yeah, so that is what we're going to do. We are probably going to relax, watch some TV, and then eat. And attempt to recoup some power afterwards. Or if that fell in the pan, that's some extra protein. I don't fucking know right now. So currently our setup. Did you get bit? You want me to spray you? You want me to spray you? Okay. So currently our setup is we have just a refresher. We have our Campground 1200 watt power station with 200 watt solar available. We have our 12 volt fridge, which is the Devor, I don't know, Dever. Not sponsored, but this is what we chose to get. And we have our little Arctic Air, which I will tell you, last night, this little bad boy blows. This little bad boy blows. That's true. The bug was still on me. So, because I just touching the bug and I don't wanna. I got some washcloths right here. Be open my head. All right. Did you want a specific dressing or did you want a specific dressing?
I mean, we got Italian.
We got Greek, Caesar, and Thousand Island. You're eating it. That's the one it is. Jesus.
Oh my God. Man, listen, you smacking that the wrong way.
I said if it ends up. I said, look at. I was like, that's some extra protein. We're gonna be on Fear Factor for the night.
No.
That's gonna be in your plate. Yeah, so little AC things blow. I was cold last night. John is a hot sleeper, so he definitely needs that. Ooh. And it worked amazing last night. I was dying. So it won't slide. You gonna fit it on your plate?
I know, baby.
You want to just eat it out of there and I'll take some off of it?
Yeah, I can.
All right, so you want a real knife?
Nah, you know I'm tired of shit.
This is off?
Yes, baby, don't touch it though.
It's unplugged? No, I'm
Yeah,
saying it's unplugged?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna let that. Let it discharge. But I think what I'm gonna do is, all right, so we're gonna eat, gonna get some power, and then I will be back in a little bit. So I will say that the bugs are bugging tonight.
Oh God, they sure the fuck up.
And there's every type of
Ooh,
bitch.
Ooh, I don't know what that was.
The way we are right now with these bugs, you would think that we ain't never camped before.
Yeah, but I knew this shit was gonna be bad over here by this morning.
Oh, that motherfucker went over there. And it's not like it's the little bugs, but it's the big ass beetles that are like having a field day with everything.
fucking night. I know it. I'm gonna be itching and scratching all fucking night.
You just get a rag and wipe down and stuff.
Now it's for lifting it back. As soon as I lifted it, y'all, that's just it. Baby, that's why I be worried about going to the gym. As soon as I go to lift me some shit, that shit gonna be like. Alright. So, baby, I'm gonna put this. Look at
this motherfucker thought.
Right on top.
Look at that bad boy. He thought.
Okay. Look at. I'm putting this right on top of here.
I'm sorry. Hold on. Trying.
No, you're good. I'm just letting you know, baby, that you know that stuff
okay.
is up on top of there.
Got a big ass mosquito chilling in the cup. Thought he was slick there.
Alright, I'm still gonna put this right here. I'll try.
In the front, right in front of the passenger seat. The trash.
These two bags, both of them are trash, right?
I'm assuming so if you put one as trash. Is that, what's this guy?
This is the pork chops, like the bones and the fucking fat pieces that I had.
Alright.
I'll just put it in there just in case whenever you're done with yours, you can just do them.
Okay.
Man, I think not knowing, I threw away my fucking.
Your fork?
No, my little tab. No, my fork's back there. The little tab that holds them.
Oh, it's alright. They go all in the bag anyway.
Oh, they cooked good. They cooked good.
Mm-hmm.
Motherfuckers made it all the way through.
He's on his shot like he was trying to kill me.
I think I can feel that right, baby.
I felt it. Ben felt it.
I'm about to close this up, baby.
That's fine.
How we gonna clean that right there?
I've got some stuff somewhere. Yep. He is smart. He is kind.
What is that? You good back there, mother?
No. Can you turn the lights on?
All right.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh, man. Oh, these motherfuckers. Ooh, them niggas had a field day on my ass. Oh, my God.
You want to wipe down?
Shit. Little motherfucker heavy. What do you say?
So do you want to wipe down? Well, we can get naked in a little bit and wipe down.
Yeah. Raw penis is clean, your highness. I'm gonna throw this right up here. Sneakers on the dashboard.
You know the routine.
Oh, baby, you're so stupid. So you know the routine, nigga. Fuck out of here. Them some big motherfuckers, too.
Those are
man.
beetles,
Them
that's why. Them things is...
Them shits is like, we're gonna take up space over here. You don't mind, do we? You don't mind, right? You got that? Mm-hmm. 'Cause, you know, the routine, nigga. 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 ' bags on there. Oh yeah. Pow. Gotcha, buddy. It's already on, baby.
I'm not worried about that. I gotta push the button. The button ain't working for me.
No, sometimes it don't pop. It don't always gotta pop. Damn, there it is.
No, that motherfucker's walking around.
Well, not any fucking more. What the fuck?
Huh?
I'm talking about his little ass.
No, he was walking around. It was something that stuck in the bottom that was popping.
Oh, that's a green bug.
Yeah. Trying to think of. I'm full.
Good, baby. It's good.
Mm-hmm. We'll be back. Dinner was amazing. I'm so full right now. Hubby is up front. He just been. I heard you. Bitch. Where's the John? The Shocky thing.
Right here, baby.
Can I have it?
Come on. Oh, that was a big one right there.
Yeah, I know. Oh. I didn't really get it. It fell. It shocked, but it fell. It just stunned a little bit. Oh, excuse me. So, yes, dinner was delicious. We are going to clean up, get ready for bed, get washed up, get ready for bed. I swear to God, I thought I heard something land on something. Definitely one thing that I am realizing is we will definitely need to change our sheets to white sheets. We will be only having white sheets because these little black bugs, and I am not being blamed with them. And our sheets are black, our comforter is white, our pillows are white. But we are definitely gonna go with like a light gray, like something. But about to switch all the sheets to, not tonight because I have to purchase them, but definitely gonna swap that over because these buggers match in with the
Oh shit.
No, it's something stuck in the bottom, baby. It's not the one that I'm not catching that bitch. Now I did. Yeah, babe. So that is one thing. So again, we're gonna clean up, wash up, get ready for bed, and then we will be back in a little bit. Good morning, and this is going to be our ending of our second night out, and I was better last night. My stomach wasn't crazy. I lasted through the night. John slept for just about all night.
No, all right. I was about to say, maintain low tones. My morning beso, please. My morning beso. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, I'm a little sore.
So night wasn't bad. It wasn't too bad. We have to actually just go and charge the power station either while driving, but it didn't charge last night. Obviously, we didn't have the van on all night. We only had it on for maybe like 45 minutes, and then we turned it on again for probably another 45 minutes, just to bring back that charge that we had taken from the from it when we were cooking, because that took up a lot of it. So we will be figuring out alternative options today as far as cooktops, cookware, and just things like that. It is raining today, and it will be raining all day today, all day tomorrow.
Oh, week.
It's not gonna rain on Wednesday. It said sunny on Wednesday, at least when I last checked it. So that's gonna be interesting. Our mornings usually go. I'm usually mellow in the morning. John's something else, but that's his morning. We're probably going to grab some coffee, maybe figure some shit out, and then just clean up. We have checkout at 12, and then I don't know where my phone is yet. We have checkout at 12, and the other place we can check in before 9, I believe. So shout out to Harvest Host and Boondockers welcome, because they're it. I'm not even mad at it. We came, like I said, to one that they weren't here, and they just told us, that we wouldn't have the amenities that they do provide because they're not here to provide them, but we could still use their space, and it was fine. Nobody bothered us. It was quiet. peaceful for the most part. John said the frogs were loud last night when he went out. But yeah, this is our morning. I'm gonna just clean up, get situated, and then head out. We have a few things to do before our next place, and the plan is to go to the gym today to take a shower. We shall see if we do that or go somewhere else. Thanks for tuning in. Try not to make this video as long as the last one because that was extremely long, but that was like all of the bullshit that we were dealing with as we were dealing with it, and just the raw and uncut parts of everything. So again, I'm Sabrina, that is John. We are the Traveling Vow, and we plan on getting this show going over the next few days, so bear with us. We will be probably we'll probably be doing some little as requested per my sister, some little van confessions. Some little car confessions, van confessions. So probably post a few videos in between of everything, just to keep y'all updated on this journey, because we're about to share everything. But thanks for turning in. Thanks for coming back. We appreciate you. John is over there. He doesn't like being on camera anymore, I guess.
That's a lie. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's a lie.
He is.
That's a lie, Craig.
He is. He hasn't really been on film. He hasn't really been talking or anything. But yeah, so we'll talk to you in a little bit. Thank you for coming back. Stay tuned, and any suggestions, comments, put them down below. We're trying to figure out how this works, especially with two people who start their day out completely different now in a tiny space. Thank you.